Assalamualaikum and a very good day to our lecturer, Sir Zawawi. We are students from CSC186 Object-Oriented Programming, and today we are excited to present our final project entitled Gym Registration and Membership System. Our project is a Java-based application designed to streamline and manage customer data, membership tiers, and check-in activities for a fitness center. To ensure full compliance with the course requirements, our presentation today will strictly follow the order of an assessment rubric, highlighting both our technical implementation and our commitment to ethical digital practices (VBE). Without further ado, let's begin the first section. So let me introduce our project team and our roles. First, I am Afiunis bin Farazunizam, acting as the project manager. I monitor the development of this gym system. Next, Muhammad Adawanik bin Muhammad Azam is our lead programmer. He translated our models into Java source code. Our system analyst 1 is Muhammad Azam Ahmad Zakwan bin Muhammad Azmi. He analyzed the gym requirements to design our UML class diagram. Lastly, our system analyst 2 is Muhammad Ikhwan bin Khairul Anwar. He evaluated user requirements to engineer the UML use case diagram. Currently, many traditional gyms manage their membership records manually. The problems are, first, member check-ins are tracked by hand, leading to high human error and inaccurate data. Second, customer records are kept in messy paper logs, making searches very slow. Third, different membership types are not structured, making it hard to filter daily passes from monthly members. Fourth, the total collection fees must be calculated manually using a calculator. Our proposed system solves each of these problems using object-oriented programming. Customer and check-ins data are read automatically from input files and stored efficiently into an array of objects. Membership use inheritance, a customer subclass with monthly member and daily pass member subclasses. The system handles data entry, lookup, and update seamlessly while executing all fee calculation automatically. So this is one of the calculation formula we use, which is monthly fee member total fee, which is total fee equals to package price times duration in months. Example, if the customer subscribes to VIP package price at 150 ringgit per month for a duration of 3 months, the system computes 250 ringgit times 3 equals to 450 ringgit.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Mazakwan, and today I'm going to present about the objective of this project. So the first one is to design an OOP architecture with precise UML class and use case diagram. So the second one is to implement a Java data management system utilizing file input output and polymorphic arrays. And lastly, to incorporate advanced computational algorithm, min-max, loops, key sorting, and targeted searches. Here we have 4 main class, which is the first one is customer is a superclass, and we have 2 subclass, which is mostly member and daily pass member. And finally, we have gym manager, which is as a controller. So there are 2 relationship types, which is the first one is inheritance between the customer superclass and its 2 subclass, and the second one is aggregation between the gym manager and the customer. So for the use case diagram, there is one actor, which is the gym staff, who will handle the 7 different use case, including inclusion and extension relationship. So, and lastly, the system runs as on console application with user interaction driven by JOcean pane dialog box. So now let's take a look at our UML class diagram, which is show on how our class are connected with each other. So let's take a look at the top. We have customer, which is superclass, and it contains the basic information like ID, name, and phone number. And below it, we have 2 subclass, which is mostly member and daily pass member. These both subclass are inherit from the customers. And lastly, on the right, the customer class, we have the gym manager class. So this class has the aggregation relationship with the customer, which meaning it means it holds an array list of all gym customers.
Next, this is our use case diagram. The system has one main actor, which is the gym staff. The gym staff interacts with 6 core functional use cases, which is search customer record by ID, update customer information, view min-max analysis, view average check-ins, view sorted monthly packages, and exit program. These use cases represent the main functions of our gym registration and membership systems, helping gym staff manage customer records more efficiently and effectively. Now, this is the input file used by our system. The system reads a notepad file called gyminput.txt, a semicolon separated, and begins with either M for monthly member or D for daily pass member. Monthly member contains package information, monthly fee, and subscription duration, while daily pass member contain the number of visits and the fee per visit. During program execution, the system reads these records and creates the appropriate object based on the member.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Adam Malik and Muhammad Azam. I will explain class definition. First, we have customer superclass that defines common attributes such as ID, name, and phone number using protected visibility that demonstrates encapsulation. Second, we have monthly member extend customer, which is subclass and showing inheritance. In its constructor, it calls super to reuse the attribute in customer superclass in achieve reusability. After that, it has its own method calculate total fee. After that, we have daily pass member similar to monthly member inherits customer. The only difference is attributes, check-in count and rate per check-in, and the method calculate total fee method, it has its own logic different from monthly member. Let's move to class application. In the Gym Manager class application, we declare customer list array of object type customer. This array represent the polymorphic storage that can hold monthly member and daily pass member objects together. This re-input file method utilize buffer reader and string tokenizer with a delimiter semicolon. It will read the attributes of customer and type of membership so that it will dynamically instantiates either it is monthly member or daily pass member object, and it will insert it into customer list array. To write output file in this method, we process our array of objects using loop to generate the report. So look at here, we apply instance of operator to identify the exact subclass type of customer object at runtime. Once identified, we perform downcasting to safely convert the reference so that we can access subclass specific details. Finally, invoking calculate total fee triggers runtime polymorphism. Through dynamic method binding, Java automatically executes the correct calculation formula depending on whether the object comes from monthly member or daily pass member.
So now I will demonstrate the app. So over here I have the code Java and the input file over here for the coding. So I will run the Java first, and a console command will appear in the back and the main menu. So based on the input file and the main menu, I can search customer by ID. So in the input file, if I want to find Muhammad Ali, I can just type M001 and I will find the ID and other information. So now if I want to update customer information, I will just type 2 and the customer ID, and if for example I will type Muhammad only, and the customer number and the duration, any months I want to put. So there, and view check-in analysis for 3, here it is, and for monthly packages this, and it will appear in the console command in the back. So for average check-ins, it will appear here, and that's it. And if I want to save it, I just type seats, and it will automatically if I check in my folder, it will appear a gym output here. So there it changed from the input and the output. There Muhammad Ali there and Muhammad here. For the references, we have number 1 gigs for gigs for the UML class diagram. Number 2, we have the w3schools.com. Number 3, we have Java Oracle. Number 4, we have Visual Paradigm. And 5, we have Code Gym. I think that's all from us. Thank you, sir.